Hello, this is Mayor Jane Castor. Those of us who were born and raised in Tampa can remember when the housing in this area was known as North Boulevard Homes. The facilities had become outdated while West Tampa was growing and changing around it. I want to congratulate the Tampa Housing Authority and its development partners on another grand opening celebration in West Tampa. Developments like this one allow our seniors to live in nice, comfortable, and safe environments, and they deserve nothing less. I truly believe that the new residents will be proud to call this place home.
Welcome everyone to Mary McLeod Bethune Apartments at West River, our beautiful new senior active living environment offering 150 units, housing 1 and 2 bedroom units. This building has received its NGBS Gold certification. The grand entry lobby features 2 elevators that serve all 8 floors and large expansive windows providing natural light. Our fresh new business center featuring 4 state-of-the-art computer stations, as well as seating and great art. Our new state-of-the-art theater room, latest 85-inch screen. Fitness center offers the latest equipment that provides a full range of motion for our seniors to stay healthy. This is our medical clinic with an exam room for our visiting MD or nurse practitioners. We actually have full service community facilities. This is our community room. Dining facilities that allow our residents to dine together. We have 6 2-bedroom apartments and 154 1-bedroom units. All of our apartments feature granite countertops, state-of-the-art appliances.
What I'm excited about is the fact that usually new development just wipes our culture right off the face of the earth. But in this case, they didn't do that. They honored the woman and they kept the building. And Mary McLeod Bethune's footsteps are mixed with the sands of Tampa, for she walked these grounds as a business and community leader.
Well, I've been in West Tampa all my life. This building was pretty much brand new when I moved here in 1962. I've seen it brand new, and I've seen it go down to where it was neglected. It was nice that the Housing Authority saw fit to save this building.
When we made a decision to determine whether or not we were going to continue this building, tear it down, or rehab it, or whatever the case may be, we were fortunate enough to get a developer called Related, who made the decision along with us that we need to save this building. And if you look around this building, you're just going to see a beautiful layout. I'm just so pleased with this building. I'm pleased with the attitudes of the people that took the time to be very careful about how we maintain this building, what we did in this building. And if you look around this building, you're going to find out it is something to behold.
This was a labor of love. At some point, they were talking about knocking this building down, and we said this building has great bones, great architecture. We have to make some improvements, modernize it, so it's very, very special to see the end product. And the biggest stake in this is what the private sector can do when they work together with the public sector. So we worked with a lot of housing authorities, and I can tell you with no uncertainty that the Tampa Housing Authority is the best housing authority to work with.
What I left and what it looked like, and now it's a whole lot different than what it was. You know what, this is so beautiful. They made it look so nice. You understand? I say, no, the people don't understand what Tampa Housing can do for you. You know, I just love everything about it.
We knew we wanted to make something special with Mary Bethune. You have 3 large exterior facades we felt were really opportune to be able to put artwork on them. The artist that we selected was Zero Design, and they specialize in ceramic mosaic tiles.
The project is based on the baobab tree. The baobab tree is a very legendary African tree that helps these communities live in very rough areas of Africa. You know, it holds water, it shelters people, it gives them food. You see the fruit. We wanted to somehow say that this tree was going to shelter the people that lived in this community, as it does where the tree actually lives.
A mí me gusta mudarme de nuevo para Bethune porque ya yo viví ahí y sé cómo es eso ahí y tenemos facilidades de las que no teníamos antes y ahora hay mucha más seguridad.
to see residents that lived here previously and their living experience and their quality of life. Now seeing them and having that opportunity to come back and seeing that happiness within them and that joy within them, I think is the most rewarding part of what we do.
El gusto mío muy grande hoy en día es mudarme para Bethune, porque tengo a mi hijo viviendo ahí y es el único que tengo y me favorece, me cuida, me hace mandado junto con su dato y estoy contenta porque voy a estar más cerca de él.
This is a phenomenal opportunity for our seniors to have a safe place to live. There's nothing like having safe, sanitary, affordable housing. That is the foundation of all of our communities.
With all the great amenities now, with 150 senior apartments, with all the amenities you could possibly ask for, it's really an exciting development and a real milestone for West River development.
The future of West River Tampa will include the Boulevard at West River, a 4-tower development that is currently under construction, followed by the Canopy at West River. West River will also include retail and commercial development consisting of a new grocery store, market rate residential, as well as home ownership opportunities.
I think that's going to be a viable part of having an actual urban village type community where people can just walk to the corner market, can walk and get a nice cigar at a lounge, just do some other added activities that other communities have that we don't. So just bringing a good, wholesome community environment of living, good living, living that people can say, hey, I live in a good community, I live in a great community, and I'm glad I'm here.
Over the coming years, you will see affordable housing opportunities grow, and that is fundamental to lifting up our families and our older neighbors to make sure that they can reach their full potential.
I said West Tampa is going to be built back up. And West Tampa is going to be built up different than what it was when you left. And I'm just ready to come back home.